everyone, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Laurie, and today we're making patriotic hanging mason jar solar lights. I did get most of the supplies at the Dollar Tree, and I will list them below. I was planning on filming outdoors, however, Mother Nature had other plans and it's raining, so I'm filming indoors today. These would hang wonderfully though on your back porch or a deck. And also, if you don't want to hang them, just don't put on the chain and you can sit them on the edge of your stairs or a walkway. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would so love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So please don't forget to click that little subscribe button below.
You're going to need 3 chains. I chose to use the chains from the hanging wire baskets. So I purchased 3 of them, removed the chains, and I'm saving the baskets for a future DIY. You're then going to spray each of the chains. I chose the patriotic colors of red, white, and blue. I used 3 of the Anchor Hocking mason jars that I purchased at Walmart. They are 2 quarts each. You'll need 3 of the patriotic headbands found at Dollar Tree. I got 2 blues and 1 red. You're going to pull them apart and you're going to end up painting 1 set of the stars with the white spray paint. Using a tape measure, I found the center point of the mason jar and then I just marked it with my Sharpie. Using the red, white, and blue striped ribbon from the headband, I found the center point where I had marked it on my jar, and then I simply glued the ribbon completely around, making sure that the 2 ends met up perfectly. You'll need 2 packages of the red, silver, and blue star necklaces from the Dollar Tree. Starting with the silver star necklace, I began to hot glue it around the jar using the center white of my ribbon as the guide. After the silver necklace was attached, I then followed with my red and then the blue. After all 3 jars were complete, it's now time to attach the hanging wire. I used a medium weight wire and I cut 3 12-inch lengths. We're going to make 3 loop holders which will then hold the chain on the jars. I folded each of the wire in half, bending it over itself and making a little circle. I slipped the wire circle over the lip of the jar, making sure that it was on the very, very bottom, and I simply twisted it, making a little loop. I continued to do this until I had 3 of the wire loops wrapped around the base of the mason jar, and all 3 of them looped into little hangers. The wire is a bit snug, but I adjusted it and the loops on the jar. After I had the 3 loops positioned, I then used my glue gun and I ran a bead of glue over the wire. And make sure when you're gluing that you don't glue the loops down. I then took the larger mesh tube from the headband and I attached it over the wire. I then took the smaller red mesh tube from the headband and I attached that with my glue gun underneath the larger one on the jar. You'll then need one package of the metallic pom-poms. Simply remove them from the plastic handle and I just use my scissors to cut them off. I used both of the pom-poms. I simply split them in 3 and then filled all 3 of the jars. You are now going to take your red, white, and blue stars and attach them to the jars. I simply used my glue gun, attaching one on one side, and then I turned the jar over and made sure that the other star was directly behind the first star. I then used 3 of the Patriotic Solar Lights. You can use any light at all, it doesn't matter. I just happened to find the Patriotic ones, and I removed the top from the base. Using the inside lid of the mason jar, I traced it onto a piece of cardboard. And once I traced 3 of those, I then took the top part of the solar cover and I placed that in the center of the circle. I did my best to make sure it was centered perfectly, and then I just traced it onto my first circle. I then used my scissors to cut out the larger circle. I made sure it fit snugly into the top part of my canning lid, and then I used an X-Acto knife to finish it off, cutting out the smaller inside circle. Once you have all 3 complete, I double checked that they all fit snugly into the top of the jar lid. I painted the 3 of them blue, but that's optional, so they would match the top of my solar light. I then sprayed each of the jar covers red, white, and blue. I used the leftover star necklaces to embellish the top of the covers. You can use your glue gun, but sometimes it doesn't really hold too well on the metal, so I chose to use my E6000 and then just worked the necklaces around the top of the covers. This is completely optional. I just thought it added a little extra bling to each of the covers. And now you're going to insert the little cardboard circles into the top of the cover. I ran a thin bead of hot glue inside the cover and then pressed my little cardboard circle down into it tightly. It's important to press the cardboard in as tightly as possible because you do need the space inside the cover to attach it to the mason jar. And now you're going to remove the 3 tops from the bases of the solar lights. And taking your glue gun, you're going to run a very light bead of hot glue on top of the little cardboard circle. You then slide the top of the solar light into the cover. The hot glue that you place inside the cover is enough to attach the solar light. When you slide the solar light through the little circle, there's enough of the hot glue to attach it to the cover. And once you have all 3 solar lights attached to your covers, now it's time to attach it to the mason jar. And this is the easy part. All you do is just screw each cover onto each jar. And now to attach the chain, you simply clip it onto each of the little wire loops. I wanted to embellish the outside of the jars so during the day they would be as pretty to look at as they will at night when they're glowing. And once you have all the chains attached to your mason jars, hang them outside in the bright sunlight. Lighting the way. They will glow for hours, lighting the way. I had a great time hanging out with you today. I hope you did too. And don't forget to click that subscribe button so we can get together real soon. Bye, everybody.